We're going to do a quick video on new stock analysis. That's NU stock analysis, and that's NU holdings. We've got a daily chart up here with a 20-day moving average in red and a 5-day moving average in green. Normally we wouldn't do an analysis on a stock like this because it doesn't look like it's been out very long, but the volume today is incredible, and it looks like it's 45 million shares today traded versus an average of 28 million is average. So it's almost, not quite twice, but it's very significantly traded today. So we thought we'd do a quick video up on it. It's up almost 10% today, but it's an inexpensive stock. This is so new that it doesn't support a 200-day moving average. But let's take a quick look. It looks like we came out here and we had some initial highs of 12 bucks, came up and challenged that, but did not exceed that, and went to almost 12, about 11 something in February of 2022. And basically this stock, even though there's no 200-day moving average, you can see the stock's in a bear market. We had a sell-off here, made a new low, and then we basically went into just a classic bear market sell-off from about $8 all the way down here to the $3 level roughly, and then we went sideways. This is essentially people coming in, buying the stock, trying to get it dirt cheap, probably because they believe in it. This is all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but that's what I'm guessing happening. This distribution probably had some fundamental reasons that I'm not going to get into on a technical analysis video, but there's probably some fundamental reasons this stock sold off. But we're now looking at an accumulation phase through here, starting at about May 2022 and continuing all the way through till August. Today's August 24th, and that's what I think is going on. We're getting just a classic accumulation, and you can see we're making higher highs, lower lows. Our 20-day moving average is beginning to straighten out, and what we're looking to do is to see this slope of this 20-day moving average take a little higher, a little steeper grade. And if we do that, by the middle of September, we might be able to get the stock back up to, say, 750-ish, right around in here. We're currently trading today on new at about $5. So that's probably a reasonable expectation. Keep in mind, it's all opinion. And it's all for entertainment purposes only. It could easily break down. But if we see the price respect the 20-day moving average, meaning stay above the 20-day moving average, we see this 5-day moving average straighten out a little bit, then we should get a rally here, could get a rally by the middle of September up to the 750 level. Keep in mind, it's a very speculative stock right at the moment, but it is trading nicely. I mean, it doesn't trade like a penny stock, and so that's a really good sign. I would say that it's impossible to give you a huge amount of confidence one way or the other. But again, if it respects the 20-day moving average and the 5-day straightens out, then I would say that this price is going to rally between 650 and 750 sometime in September. It's my best guess right now for opinion only. I already took a look. We do not follow this stock. It's probably because it's so new. I'll check and see if we can put it in there. But RBAM Research comes out with these algorithmically generated prices every morning before 7 a.m. and these are the ones for today. Just as an example to show you how they work, this is for Apple. We have 1-day, 5-day, and 20-day holds on the stocks. They're all buy-onlys, and it gives specific entry prices for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own research and shouldn't rely on these for anything other than entertainment. But the way it works is if you were to buy in this range, assuming your own analysis verified it, you'd buy for 1 day in this column and cover at the end of the next trading day. These are trading days, not calendar days. Same thing for the 5-day. Buy in this range and cover at the end of 5 days at a loss or sooner if you get the profit. All these are take your profit as soon as you get them, cover at a loss 1, 5, or 20 days, worst case if you don't get a profit before then. So take your profit as soon as you get it and cover worst case at these holding periods, depending on which column you were taking a look at. Again, all for entertainment purposes only. We cover 190 plus stocks. We also cover the most liquid futures, we cover the major forex pairs, and we cover crypto BTC. So these all come out by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. There's no cost, absolutely free, no credit card required. You just go to rbamresearch.com and sign up and you can get them. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you want to leave us a comment on how to make these videos better, please do that as well. And keep in mind, everything that we've showed you, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. They're all in our own opinion. You have to use your own analysis and should use our information for nothing but entertainment. And you definitely trade at your own risk.